motor guy. That's guy. Give my goddamn money. Woo! Fucking let.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog again. Today consists of fixing the car, getting some stuff ready for another event. So what we got here? These cars still running good. Now we're gonna put something new into this guy. New setup coming in, so I'll show you guys when unboxing that right there. Something special is in there, and more parts are coming in. So, but today we're gonna replace this guy because right now this is an RSX shifter, and I have the K20Z3 transmission. So it doesn't really comply. So my first gear right now, compliant. Let me explain it to you guys. So my first gear right now is, that's first gear right here, instead of first gear over here. You guys get me? So it's backwards. So when I was doing the shootout, I was first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. Now we're gonna try to fix that and have it first gear here, second gear here, like the normal mechanism that's supposed to be going on in here. So show you guys what I got, and take you guys for a walk for this vlog right here. Let's go. All right, guys, this one's already open, so let's show what we have here. So I got a hybrid racing, as you guys can see. No cut shifter, so we're gonna get rid of the other one there and go with this one because this is the only one I found with that's compatible with the Z3 transmission. We also got our hybrid racing shifting cables. Hybrid Racing, sponsor me if you guys want to. Damn, these things are neat. Wow. Here we go. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install this. Sheesh. Nice. All right. I got some other parts that are coming in too. I ordered some factory bumper diffuser. Should be coming in too. Get this car really running optimal. It's just the best it could run, you know. What's up, guys? We put the earn short on because it's time to work. Gonna put this in. This one goes in the bottom, not where it's used to be. So we took out the other shifter there. It's gone now. Gonna go in the bottom. Car's jacked up, ready to go. Slap this bad boy in there. Let's see what we have. See you guys in a bit. We don't got right enough size of hole saw, drill, but we're just gonna hawk this thing out. Oh shit! Sorry, guys. Okay. It's got a little bigger, you guys see? From that, I need to get this one bigger too. Let's go. Checks in the trade. If you guys don't have a bigger one, you just want to put it around the hole right here, so this cuts into the fucking hole and you have a wider hole. Watch this. Oh. Another one. That should be good. Oh. Okay. right here. Chee! Oh. Right here. Yeah. You ready? Let's put this shifter in, baby.